Chestnut and Mansion. If there's any other neighborhoods that are more enamored by the Watty way, please let me know. Seriously, Eastward Civic Center area living cannot be beat, and especially when you're on such a family-friendly street like Chestnut. I have a lovely home to show you, as there's many homes through this neighborhood that do require some updating. This one needs nothing. It has new electrical, new plumbing as well, even new servicing that goes all the way in from the property line. Welcome to 110 Chestnut. This place is so nice. The west-facing front porch is so nice, but we'll save that for sunset. Upon entry, you can tell that this home is so nice. It's so nice just to be able to live in an open concept design renovated by Jackman Construction, still using a lot of the charming details like pocket doors between the living room and dining room, but all moving into this amazing kitchen with quartz countertops and high-end KitchenAid stainless steel appliance set. So nice. Now there's two ways to get into the backyard. One from the mudroom that leads into the garage, which is ever so handy, and also through these new sliders moving into your peripherally fenced rear yard, offering tons of privacy and places to plant the vegetables. It's impossible to point the camera at a bad direction. Wait, let me get out of the way. You have 3, actually even possibly 4 bedrooms on this really tastefully done top floor, including the main bath with heated floors. You know that those are so nice. There's a couple upper terraces that are kind of quite unusable in this neighborhood. However, this one is usable, and it is so nice. We don't normally talk about utilities, but this bears mentioning. Updated electrical and new water service coming in from the road into this nice finished basement that you can finish how you like. But even as storage, hey, let me tell you, storage is so nice. Such a great location, so much care, so much thought and effort went into this home, making it so nice. I'm Watty, Chestnut Park.